Homemade coffee chiffon pie recipe. Delicious dessert tutorial. Indulge in the delightful fusion of coffee and pie with our homemade coffee chiffon pie recipe. This creamy, airy dessert is a perfect treat for any occasion. Follow along with our step-by-step tutorial to create your slice of heaven. Ingredients: 1½ cups crushed graham crackers, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup cold water, 1 cup brewed coffee, cooled to room temperature, 1 cup heavy cream, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon instant coffee granules, optional, for extra flavor, chocolate shavings or cocoa powder for garnish, optional. Instructions. Prepare the graham cracker crust. In a mixing bowl, combine crushed graham crackers, granulated sugar, and melted butter. Mix until well combined and the mixture resembles wet sand. Press the mixture into a 9-inch pie dish, covering the bottom and sides evenly to form the crust. Use the back of a spoon or a measuring cup to press down firmly. Chill the crust in the refrigerator while preparing the filling. Bloom the gelatin. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Prepare the coffee filling. In a mixing bowl, whisk together brewed coffee, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until the sugar is dissolved. If desired, add instant coffee granules for an extra kick of flavor. In a small saucepan, gently warm the bloomed gelatin over low heat, stirring constantly until fully dissolved. Be careful not to boil the gelatin. Gradually pour the warm gelatin mixture into the coffee mixture, whisking continuously to combine thoroughly. In a separate mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the coffee mixture until well incorporated. Be careful not to deflate the mixture, maintain its airy texture. Pour the coffee filling into the prepared graham cracker crust, smoothing the top with a spatula. Chill the pie in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or until set. Once set, garnish the pie with chocolate shavings or dust with cocoa powder for an elegant finish. Slice and serve your coffee chiffon pie chilled, and enjoy the creamy, coffee-infused goodness with every bite. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delectable coffee chiffon pie. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes and culinary inspiration. Happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.